Hi guys, thanks for joining me again today. We're going to be going through another one of our products. Today is our alarm clock Bluetooth induction charging bedside clock with hidden camera. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing, and then I'm going to run you through how to connect it all, same as we have in the last videos. A couple of little settings that you can alter and all the rest of it. Let's go ahead, we'll open the box and we'll get started. So inside the big box, there's a lot in here. So we've got our Quick Start Pro iCam guide, we have our in-depth instruction manual, some PC software if you feel like hooking up to your PC. There's also a 3.5mm headphone jack cable, so you can plug your device in directly to the unit if you wanted to. You do have an included Australian adapter in the box already. We also have a micro SD USB adapter, so you install your little micro SD card into here and then straight into your PC to download your footage if you didn't have the app. A little tool to eject the micro SD card and to activate your reset button. And then we have the pièce de résistance, the actual clock itself. So on the top of the clock we have our induction charging plate. On the back of the clock we have our speaker. On the underside you've got your on-off switch, your micro SD card slot, and also your reset button. And up under here, I'll grab our display one in a sec and I'll show you exactly what it all looks like when it's all rigged up. But you have your time, temperature, and you can also have an alarm set on there as well, so it makes it nice and easy to access it, see what's going on. You've got a snooze button on the top, an alarm button, so if you roll out of bed and you don't want to get up yet, you can just whack that snooze button, go back to sleep, and it'll wake you up again in 5 or 10 minutes. Thanks for joining us guys in the unboxing. Click on our next video and we'll go in depth with it. I'll show you how to hook it up, how it sounds, and also all the other features of it. Thanks.